In this video, I am going to show you how to create neomorphism elements in Adobe Xd. So watch the video till the end, so you never miss any steps. First of all, create an artboard of height of 1920 and width of 1080. After that, select artboard and fill the color as shown. After that, create a rectangle. Fill the color as same as the background color. After creating a rectangle, enable the shadow of color as shown. Add X value to -9 and Y value to -9. Add the blur value to 16. After that, create a duplicate of first rectangle and paste in front. After that, change the color of shadow of second rectangle as shown. After that, change the X value of second rectangle to 9 and the Y value to 9. Add the blur value of 16 pixel. Then select the both rectangle and make it component so you can change it to any shape you want. Then round the corners of both the rectangle to 30 pixels. Select the rectangle and make a duplicate. Then add in front so you can change the shape you want. Drag and drop the image in the second rectangle component. Okay, we are done. You can add more elements as you want. You get the idea. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you in next creative tutorial.